सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः। अद्यतनी श्लोक संख्या वर्तते 5,7,चतुश्शततमी 475th क्लास टुडे। एतावत् पर्यन्तं मन्ये 10 श्लोकाः सुभाषित पूर्वार्धे तत्र भर्तृहरि नीतिशतके पूर्वार्धे 10 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। अद्य 11मः श्लोकः पठनीयः, परन्तु तत्पूर्वं गतकक्षायां यः एकः अंशः शेषः वर्तते, one point is remaining from the previous exercise of the 10th shloka, that is I think kosha, the dictionary of synonym words, पर्याय शब्दाः ये तत्र कोशे दत्ताः सन्ति तेषां विवरणं मया न दत्तं गतकक्षायाम्। अद्य क्रियते। सर्वे तत्र पश्यन्तु। दर्शितं वा? शोन् पेज 72 that kosha is there. शार्वम is equal to shivasya idam, relating to Shiva, a derivative word like this. Ishvaraha, Ishte iti Ishvaraha, iti Ishvaraha, Savarna Dirghasandhi is made there. Iti Ishvaraha becomes iti Ishvaraha. Ishvaraha, Ishte, Isha iti dhatu. This is Adadigana, second conjugation I have indicated there. A stands for Atmanepada. Ishte. So Aishwarye, the artha of this Isha is to Aishwarya, to command or to rule. And one who commands or one who rules over is called Ishvara. The commander, the ruler, in other words. Ishutum Silamasya, one who has a nature to lord over, rule over, he is called Ishvara. So this is how this word Ishvara is interpreted. Then Sharvaha, another word is Sharvaha. Pralaye bhutani srunati hinasti iti. Hinasti iti. Hinasti, himsa dhatu. Pralaye, pralaya kale, at the time of dissolution of this universe, bhutani, praninaha, srunati. Srunati nama hinasti. Hanti iti. At the time of dissolution, he is the one who kills the kills or annihilates the beings at the time of dissolution. So Sru iti dhatuhu, that is 9th gana, you can see Prasmayapada himsayam, to hurt, to kill. Srunati is the present tense, Shiryate is the passive form of it. Some words we are giving. So that is how the Sharva Shabda is given. Sharvaha nama pralaye bhutani srunati hinasti marayati hanti iti. Ishanaha iti anyaha Anyat Paryaya Padamasti. Ishte, same as the above derivation of Ishvara. Ishte Ishanaha, Aishwaryavan, one who is full of power and opulence, is called Ishanaha. Then we come to the word Shiraha, which is given in the book. Shriyati, Ushnishadina. Shri is the dhatu here, you can see to the right, which is first gana, Bhuadi gana, we have explained. U stands for Ubhayapadi. U stands for Ubhayapadi. If capital A is given, Atmanepadi. If it is P given, then Parasmayapadi. So this is Ubhayapadi. That means this dhatu is both Ubhayapada and, Atmanepada and Parasmaypada. Ayam dhatu Atmanepadi evam eva Parasmayapadi cha. What sense? To cling, to fasten. In that sense, it is used as Shri, Shrayati, Shrayati. It is Ubhayapada, therefore Shrayati and Shrayati. And in the Karmani, it is Shriyate, is fashioned too. So, Shriyate Ushnadina, Ushnishadina. Ushnisham is turban, Srinivas. Ushnisham, turban. So, turban is worn where? Ushnisham shirasi eva dharyate, na tu padayoho anyat sharire, na kutrapi anyatra dharyate. Ataha Shriyate Ushnadina iti, because it is fashioned, it is circled by turban and other things, therefore it is called Shiras. Then Shiraha Pradhane, some other Medini Kosha gives you Shiraha Pradhane Senagre Shikare Mastake Picha. So Shiras Shabda is also used in these senses. Pradhana. Shiras is Pradhana. See, if you take the human body, which is very symbolic representation of the human society. Human body is the symbolic representation of the human society, according to our own Vedic this thing. As you find the so-called four varnas which are there, according to the college, Chaturvarnyam Maya Srishtam Guna Karma Vibhagashaha Brahmano Asya Mukhamasi Bahu Rajanyakutaha iti Veda. So these four categorization is there in the body. The head is Brahmana, Bahu is Kshatriya, Vaishya is the stomach, and the legs are the Shudra. So Shiraha Pradhanam, this is the most important thing. A society without intelligent people, learned people is a dead society. What we call otherwise the Brahmin, the class or the caste. So learned people, Shiraha Pradhanam. So Shiraha Pradhane in the important sense, Senagre, like the front, the commander-in-chief who leads, the leader of the Shikare on the top, Mastake, and of course Mastaka means you know that head. So Shiras means the top level. That is how it is interpreted in a Kosha by name, not Amara Medini Kosha. Now we come to Uttamangam. Uttamam cha tadangam cha, very simple. That is a very important organ of the body. What is that? Shiraha. So this is Tatpurusha Samasa. Then it is also called Sirsham. Kumara Sirshayoho iti Gnapakat Shiraha Shabdasya Sirshadeshaha. Shiraha Shabda has got Sirshadesha. Shiraha only Sirsha as it become. Kumara Sirshayoho iti Gnapakat. Where is it from? I have not written the source. So, Shabdasya Sirsha Adesha. The word Sirsha is an irregular form of the word Shiras. So, it is a irregular form of the Shiras. We move on then. Pashupatihi. This is another name for Lord Shiva. Pashunam means Jivanam, Pramathanam, Va Patihi. He is the Lord of the living beings, all the living beings. The Pramata here stands for the Sevaka Gana of Shivas, Pramata Ganas. The servants of Lord Shiva are Pramathas. So, he is the Lord of all the living beings, including his own servants, Pramatagana. In that sense, it is Pashupati. Like, you know, the famous temple in Nepal, Kathmandu is there. In Nepal, capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. There is a very famous Pashupatinath temple, where the bell is of this room's direction. Very big bell is there, Ghanta. And by the Gomti river, I think, by the side, the river flows down there. I have seen that thing. Pashupatinath temple is very famous in Nepal, Kathmandu. So that is how it is interpreted, Srinivas. Then what is there? Pashunam, there is another interpretation. Pashunam Sura Nara Tiraschampatihi. Now, above we have seen Pashunam, Jivanam, Pramathanam, Patihi, Va Patihi. He is the Lord of living beings and also his own Sevakagana or the followers. Then Pashunam Suranara Tirascham Patihi. Pashunam Patihi is already there. Sura, Suranam, Naranam, Tirascham Cha Patihi. Tiras means the Pashupakshi. that animal which walk, in a not in a vertical manner, horizontal manner, Tiryak. So all animals are covered here. So which walk in a horizontal way. See, human beings we don't walk horizontal, we walk straight. So Tiryan Shabda there, Tirancham is Shashti, Ekavachana there, Bahuvachana, sorry. Tirancham. So Pashunam, then what is that? Sura Nara Tirascham Patihi, the Lord of gods, men, animals and birds, all are covered. So, in other words, Pashupati refers to Shiva's, that deity which is the ultimate deity, Srinivas, of all, everything. Everything is included there. Living beings are there, gods are there, his own Pramataganas are there, animals are there, birds are there. Then Shambhu, which is a famous word, Shambhu. Sham Nama Sukham. Bhavati Asmat. Bhavati Asmat. Yanadisha Sadi. Bhavati Asmat. Because of this person, there is happiness. Sham Sukham Bhavati Asmat. Asmat Purushat Sukham Bhavati. Ataha Ayam Shambhu iti Katyati. He is called Shambhu. Because of him, there is happiness. Shankara, Sham Karoti iti Shankaraha. Sham Mangalam, Sukham Karoti, Karayati, or whatever it is. Shankara also in the same sense. Then Ishaha, it is coming several times. Same verb, Isha, Ishte, we have already explained that. Ishaha Nama Aishwarya Yuktaha, man, the God with full of, 6 types of Aishwarya they speak of. Anantasya Shakti, Ananta Shakti, unlimited power, unlimited beauty, Anantasya Samagrasya, I don't remember the definition. Samagrasya, Samagrasya, Saundaryasya, Samagrasya Shaktehi, Samagrasya, etc. Like that, there are Bhaga iti Uchyati. One who has that Bhaga means 6 opulences, 6 types of opulences Bhagavan has. That is called Bhaga. Unlimited beauty, unlimited power, unlimited popularity, like that, all unlimited superlatives. A person who has, he is only called Bhagavan. Bhaga iti. I will tell you, I am not recollecting it. Then
is denoting number of 6, Bhaga. Bhaga. Is it denoting 6? Number 6?
I don't think, but that there are 6. No, that is how they say. No, I don't think. I don't know. There are so many things which we don't know. We have to look into. Then Sanketa Padakosha is separated there. There are so many words given up. So where is we? Where are we? Shivaha. Shivaha. Samyati. Paramananda Rupatvan Nirvikaro Bhavati iti. He is contented due to being the embodiment of bliss and immutable. Being immutable, being bliss. Shamyati is very calm and content. Paramananda Rupatvan Nirvikaro Bhavati iti. Because of Paramananda Rupatva and also Nirvikaratva. He is called Shamyati. He is a very cool and contented person. Therefore, you get the interpretation. This is how it is given, Shivaha. Then, one more interpretation for Shiva is there, Srinivas. What is that? Sherate. You can read.
Sherate Sajjana Manam Yasmin Niti Va.
Sherate Sajjana Manam Yasmin Niti Va. Shete, Shayate, Sherate. This She Dhatu. She is the Dhatu which means to lie, to sleep. This is from the Adadi Gana, second conjugation. Second conjugation. Shete, Shayate, Sherate, Bahuvachana, third person. Shete Vishnur Sadashade, Kartike Pratibudhyati. This is from Vishnu Purana, Srinivas. Shete Vishnuhu Sada Ashade. Ashada Mase Shete Vishnuhu. Kartika Mase Pratibuddhyate. He wakes up in the Kartika Masa. Like that, that is Shete. This is Bahuvachana. You find Ekavachana also down there. One more interpretation. Sherate Sajjana Manamsi. Sajjananam Manamsi. Sajjana Manamsi. Understand? Sajjananam Manamsi. Manaha Manasi Manamsi. Sherate lie. Exit or rest. Where? Asminniti, in this person. Sherate Sajjana Manamsi Asminniti. Manamsi Yanadisha. Asmin iti. Va. So another interpretation is that the minds of the virtuous people lie in him. That means virtuous people always contemplate on Shiva only. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru, like that. There are so many slokas in Gita which say Ananyas chintayanto mam ye janaha paryupasati tesham. You know that sloka? Ananyas chintayanto. That is it. Sherate sajjana manamsyasmin nitiva. So the minds of the virtuous rest in him. Another interpretation, just twisting the same one. Sete, sleeps or rests. Sajjana manassu iti. What's Sandhi? Sete sajjana manasviti. Manassu. This is Yanadesha Sandhi. Manas Shabda used here in Saptami Bahuvachana. Manasi manasoho manassu. Manassu. In the above, manamsi is used. Prathama Bahuvachana. Sherate sajjana manamsi asminniti. Va. Here Shete sajjana manassu. In the minds, in the hearts of the virtuous people, he stays. Who? Shiva. Itiva. Sleeps in the minds. I think sleep may not be that good, but it also means that stays is better. Stays, sleeps. Shiva is sleeping. But the literal meaning, I think I took it, but it's not. Even the Koshakaras also given the interpretation. Stays in the minds of the virtuous, sleeps there, rests there, whatever you see. Then another interpretation of Shiva. Shivam Kalyanam Tad Yogadva. Shiva means Kalyana, welfare, prosperity. One who is endowed with prosperity is called Shiva. Shiva is full of Mangalatva, Mangala. Mangalakaraha Shiva. So Shivam Kalyanam Tad Yogadva, because of that yoga, having that in him, he is called Shiva. So how many interpretations? Shiva 1, 2, 3, 4 interpretations are there for Shiva Shabda. Beginning from Shamyati Paramananda Rupatva Nirvikaro Bhavati iti 1, Sherate Sajjana Manamsyasminniti 2, Sete Sajjana Manasviti 3, Shivam Kalyanam Tad Yogadva. So that is how so beautiful is Shiva Shabda. Then one more is there. Oh, one more is there, Srinivas. Shiva Pradatvat Va. Shiva Pradatvat Va. One who grants welfare. Shiva. Shiva Pradatvat. Shiva Namam Kalyanam Pradatvat. Also is called Shiva because of giving all good things. So many interpretations the scholars have given here. Now then we have that Shuli Shabda. Very simple. Shulam asya asti iti. Shulam asya asti iti. That means this person has got the Shula. What is Shula? The trident, what we say. The possessor of a weapon called Shula, that is trident. So since he holds the Shula, Shuladhari, Shulam asya asti iti Shuli. That is very simple. Then Maheshwara is also a Karmadhare Samasa. Mahancha asau Ishwarascha, great Ishwara. So Lord Shiva is known by so many names in your textbook. Then we come to the, what is the next? Mahi. Mahyate, Maha Pujayam. There is a dhatu, Maha Pujayam. So, Mahate, etc. To honor, to delight. That is the meaning. Mahyante Bhutani Asyam. Living beings are delighted in this. The earth is the delighter of the living beings. Mahyante Pujyante Bhutani Asyam Mahyam Pruthivyam iti Mahi. That is how it is given. Then Gotra Shabda. Gotraha nama Shailaha. Gotraha Shailaha. Santi Asyam. Santi Asyam. Yanadisha Santi. Gotraha Shailaha Santi Asyam. Asyam Mahyam Pruthivyam. Mountains exist in this. Or Gam Jalam Trayateva. Gam Nama Jalam. Go Shabda has several meanings. Go is Pruthivi, Go is Indriya, Go is Vak, Go is Jala here, Gam, Nanarthas. So Gam Jalam Trayati, it protects the water. How? By hiding in its womb, Mother Earth. How commercial we are, how cruel men are, they are doing so much of drilling into the Mother Earth to take water. Going to 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet, drilling not only water, they are also drilling oil also now. I think there is nothing that is not being commercially used by man. Except I think even that is going to be, in future. You take Panchabhuta Srinivas, sometimes I tell, the most costliest Bhuta, Panchabhuta is Prithvi. What we are talking now, Mahi. Most wanted, most precious thing for the Martyas, the mortal fellows who are supposed to subject to death, for them is Prithvi. Then Jala, doing lot of business on that. Akasha, doing business with that. All commerce only. And then Vayu, Agni. And only one left out I thought, but that is also being used now. If you take Vayu in the sense of Pranavayu, even oxygen is sold now. It has come to our country also. That oxygen from America is brought and sold here. Pure oxygen, 100% oxygen. So man is totally exploiting the nature. So therefore, beautiful it is. Gam, Jalam, Trayateva, because it protects the water, it is called Gotra. Then Pruthivi, Prathate, Pratavistare, to increase. Because it is expanding, it's an expensive piece of land. Earth is an expensive piece of land. You can say, Pruthivi, Prututvat. So, Prathate, Pratavistare, to increase. Pruthivi, see the variations here, Srinivas. Pruthivi, then Pruthavi, Prithvi, iti Shabdarnava. Shabdarnava is another great dictionary which gives, there is Pruthivi, it is also Pruthavi, it is also Prithvi. All the three are okay. Then Prithvi, this Mahi or Prithvi, the earth, Bhumi is also called Kshama. Why it is called Kshama? Kshamati. See how nicely earth tolerates, puts up with all kind of nonsense we do. Isn't it? Sahane, Kshama Sahane, endures, bears. What it bears? Everything it bears. You explode atom bomb, or you explode a neutron bomb, hydrogen bomb in the earth, in the water, then the earth bears it. So it is called Kshama. You remember one quotation, Srinivas? Kshamaya Dharitri. You have not studied the Subhash? Karyeshu, woman should be ideal woman that we speak of. Karyeshu Dasi, Karneshu Mantri, Bhojeshu Mata, Shaineshu Rambha, and then Kshamaya dharitri, this kshama is coming.
Dharitri.
Kshamaya, in patience, in tolerance. Dharitri, there is nothing like the Mother Earth which bears all human nonsense. I am a bit pained to say this, but it really pains to see how human beings, a great thinker and Nani Palkewala, a great, I think, jurist, he is expert in constitution. He said, commercialism has consumed humanism. He really put it very nicely. Commercialism has gone to such an extent that it has consumed humanism. Where is humanism now? Everything is business, business, business. So, Kshama, the Prithvi is full of forbearance. Medini. Medini, it is called Medyati. Mida, to grow fat or to expand itself. This is fourth class, Parasmaya Pada, Medyati, and therefore it expands, it grows into big, therefore it is called Medini. So these are the interpretations of the Kosha, which I could not show in the last class. Let us go, Srinivas. एकादशमः श्लोकः करणीयः.
शक्यो वारयितुं जलेन कुशभुक्षत्रेण सूर्यात्.
This is Shardula Vikriditam, therefore Vidyanama, like that you can sing. Shakyo varayitum jalena hutabhuk Chatrena suryatapo Nagendro nishitankushena samado. Kushena samado Dandena gogardabhau Vyadhirbeshaja sangrahaischa Vividair mantra prayogair visham. Something going. Visham sarvasya aushadhamasti shastra vihitam murkasya nastya aushadham. So Bhartrihari is again coming on and attacking Murkha. You can see how he is saying, for everything there is medicine, there is remedy. Murkhasya nasti aushadam. I think why is this person so much persistently talking about Murkhas? Because from that time onwards up till now, the sankhya of Murkha, Murkhanam sankhya pravardhamana vartate, drishyate cha. Yavantaha Murkaha Bhartrihari samaye asan, te sarvepi idanim shatashaha lakshashaha kotishaha pravruddhaha santi iti manyam. They must have increased in crores. That is, otherwise, why should he take up that concept and again try to put in poem in so many ways? Oh my God. Yes. So, we'll do the Pada. Cheda. Shakyaha Varayitum Jalena Huta Bhuk Chatrena Surya Atapa Nagendra Nishita Ankushena Samadaha Dandena Gogardabau Vyadhihi Bheshaja Sangrahaihi Cha Vividhaihi Mantra Prayogaihi Visham Sarvasya Aushadham Asti. For everything there is medicine. Shastra Vihitam. Not like that. Shastra Vihitam. Shastreshu Vihitam Viditam Likitam Sarvasya Aushadam Asti Parantu Ekasya Aushadam Nasti Sa Murkha Tat Murkasya Na Asti Aushadam. Pada Parichyam Srinivas. Shakyaha Varayitum. This is Tumunnantam of the Dhatu Vru Varane Vrunoti Vrunute etc. Jalena Akaranta Hutabhuk. This is a derivative, derivative word, I think it is explained. In Samasa it is there, we will see there. Chatrena.
अकारांत नपुंसक तृतीय
तृतीय एकवचत्वेन सूर्यातपः
अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
नागेन्द्रः अकारांत
पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
निशितांकुशेन
अकारांत नपुंसक तृतीय एकवचन समस्त पदम
समदः
अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन
दंडेन
अकारांत पुल्लिंग तृतीय एकवचन
गोगर्दभौ
अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम
द्वितीय समस्त प्रथमा विभक्ति द्वितीया not dvivachanam. It is that dvitiya should not be there. It is dvivachanam, not ti is dvivachanam. Yeah, make it correct. Vyadhihi karanta pullinga. Bho, I'm sorry, bheshaja sangrahaihi.
अकारांत पुल्लिंग तृतीय बहुवचन
Yes. Cha avyayam vividhaihi.
अकारांत पुल्लिंग तृतीय बहुवचन
Mantra prayogaihi. Akaranta again.
तृतीय बहुवचन
समस्त. Visham
अकारांत नपुंसक प्रथम एकवचन
sarvasya.
अकारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी एकवचन सर्वनाम
Yeah. Sarvasya. Sarvanama first sarva only comes there. Sarvanama. Aushadham.
अकारांत नपुंसक प्रथम
एकवचन. अस्ति असधातु.
धातु लट प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन
अस्तिस्तः सन्ति. शास्त्रविहितम्.
अकारांत नपुंसक प्रथम एकवचन
मूर्खस्य अकारांत
षष्ठी एकवचन न
अव्ययम् अस्ति. Again there. Yeah. Aushadham. I think it is coming. Aushadham is coming 2 times. Asti is also coming several times. So evam asti padaparichayah. Idanim किंचित आकांक्षां तावत् पश्यामः. शक्यः possible. कः शक्यः? What is possible?
हुतभुक् शक्यः
Possible or capable? Shakya means possible or capable. Who is capable? Hutabhuk. Hutam bhungte. The explanation is there in Samasa. What is, it eats what is offered into the fire. Hutabhuk nama agnihi. Ahutim bhungte. Ya ahutihi agnau diyate. Tam ahutim. Tam ahutim tatra bhunakte or bhungte. It eats, it consumes the offering made into it. What is that consuming? The offering made into it is the fire. Whatever you put into the fire. So it's a derivative word there from the action. Utabuk kim kartum shakyah. What is the fire capable of doing?
हुतभुक् वारयितुं शक्यः
To prevent. To prevent, it is possible to prevent the all-consuming fire. Utabuk kena varayitum shakyah. How is it possible to prevent the fire?
हुतभुक् जलेन वारयितुं शक्यः
Yes, you can prevent the fire whenever fire catches. The only remedy for fire is water. So, jalena varayitum shamayitum shakyah. Put down, put out. Punaha kaha shakyah. Again, what is possible?
सूर्यातपः शक्यः
Suryasya atapaha shakyah. The sun is capable. Suryatapaha kartum. Kim kartum shakyah. The sun is capable of what?
सूर्यातपः वारयितुं शक्यः
Even the sun can be warded off, prevented. Suryatapah kena varayitum shakyah. How can the sun, hot sun, be warded off?
सूर्यातपः छत्रेण वारयितुं शक्यः
The sunlight can be warded off by an umbrella. Chatra is umbrella, by an umbrella. Chatrena. Then punaha kaha shakya. Again, what is possible? What is capable? Nagendraha shakyaha. Elephant. The mighty elephant Nagendraha. Nagendraha kim kartum shakya. What is a mighty elephant capable of doing?
नागेन्द्रः वारयितुं शक्यः
Even that mighty elephant can also be warded off, prevented. Nagendraha kena varayitum shakyaha. By what can we, by what means can an elephant, mighty elephant, be prevented?
नागेन्द्रः
निशितांकुशेन.
वारयितुं शक्यः
Even a mighty elephant can be warded off, controlled by a sharp spear. Nishita ankushena. By a sharp, like the, I think, goad, they call it in goad, goading. If I am right, I don't know. Goad, they say. The instrument with which the mahout checks the elephant, pricking on the head. Punah kau shakyo. Again, what are possible? What 2 things are possible?
गोगर्दभौ शक्यः
Go Gardabhau Shakyau. Go is a bull, Gardaba is a donkey. Both also can be controlled, can be prevented or warded off. Go Gardabhau Kena Varaitum Shakyaha.
किं कर्तुं शक्यो
Huh?
गोगर्दभौ
Kim Kartum Shakya. What can these two, bull and donkey, can do?
गो
गर्दभौ
वारयितुं शक्यो
Even these two, bull and the ass or the donkey, can be prevented. Go Gardabhau Kena Varaitum Shakya. How can there be these two be warded off?
गोगर्दभौ दण्डेन वारयितुं शक्यो
You can control a bull by means of, Go Shabda is both bull and cow in Sanskrit. So it is the Ubailinga, Pullinga and Strilinga also. In Strilinga it is Go Shabda, cow. When it is taken as a Pullinga, it is bull. So Dandena, you take a danda, you take a stick and you can control a bull, you can control also a Gardava, a donkey. Dandena Varaitum Shakyo. Punaha Kaha Shakyaha, again what is possible?
व्याधिः शक्यः
Vyadihi, disease is possible. Vyadi Kena, what is that? Kim Kartum Shakyaha? What can the disease do?
व्याधिः वारयितुं शक्यः
Vyadihi Varaitum. Vyadihi, even disease can be prevented. Vyadihi Kaihi Varaitum Shakyaha. By what measures can a disease be warded off? Vyadihi missing. Bheshaja Sangrahai Varaitum Shakyaha. A disease can be prevented by taking Bheshaja Sangrahai, by taking a combination of medicines. Ekena Bhaishajena, but Bheshaja Sangrahai, by a combination of medicines, you can even control the disease. For by taking medicines also. Then Punaha Kim Varaitum Shakyam. Again, what is Kim Varaitum? What is possible or what is not possible to, what is possible only to prevent? Yeah, again, Visham Varaitum. We can also prevent ward off poison. Visham Kaihi Varaitum. By what methods can we prevent the poison? Mantra Prayogaihi. Like, this is referring to ancient India, Srinivas. In olden India, ancient India, whenever a person was bitten by a scorpion or a snake, there used to be some mantras by which the poison used to be brought down. They would chant some mantras, and by that mantras, the spread of the poison used to be arrested, they say. I don't know whether such people are there now who know the mantras of bringing down, especially scorpion and this snake poison. So that is what Bhartulari is referring here, mantra prayogai. Visham kidrushaihi mantra prayogahi varaitum shakyam. Poison can be prevented, warded off by what type of use of mantras? Visham vividaihi. By various use of the mantras, the poison can be warded off. Asti, there is. Kim asti, what is there? Aushadham asti, there is medicine. Kidrusham aushadham asti, what type of, what form or what type of medicine is there? There is medicine as per the science. There is medicine as prescribed in the science, or there is scientific medicine, in other words. Shastra Bhitam Aushadham Kasya Asti. The scientifically recommended medicine, scientific medicine is there for whom? The scientific method of medicine or medicine prescribed in the sciences is there for everything under the sun, understood. Kintu kasya nasti, but to whom it is not available?
Murkhasya.
That is the subject here, coming at the end. Murkhasya. To a fool, for a fool, of a fool, there is no medicine. Murkhasya kim nasti? Murkhasya aushadham nasti. There is no medicine for stupidity, idiocy, stubbornness, whatever you call. There is no medicine for that, but for everything. So Bhartrihari has given some examples here. See, poison can be brought down, sun can be controlled, the heat can be controlled, the bull can be tamed and controlled, the donkey can be controlled by what? Several examples, giving those examples, then he comes to say that this is not possible, there is no possibility for curing the fool. Yeah.
Hutabhuk jalena suryatapah chatrena samadah nagendraha
Nishitankushena
varayitum shakyaha Gordhavu
Gogardhabhu
dandena vyadihi bheshaja sangrahaihi visham vividhaihi mantrayogaihi sarvasya shastra vihitam aushadham asti kintu मूर्खस्य औषधं नास्ति.
Okay. Hutabuk, as we have already seen, Jalena Varayitum Shakyaha. It is possible to prevent the fire with water, extinguish fire with water. Suryatapaha, the sun heat of the sun can be warded off by an umbrella. Samadaha Nagendraha, an intoxicated, Samadaha means here intoxicated, Madajalena Yuktaha, Gajaha, Nishitankushena, and a very intoxicated rutting and elephant can also be controlled by a sharp goad. That is correct, Srinivas, goad. Nishitankushena. Goad is the instrument called goad, G-O-A-D. It is there in this here. Varayitum Shakya, that is also can be prevented. Gogardhabau, both the bull and the donkey can be controlled, can be warded off by danda. Vyadihi, any disease, bheshaja sangrahi, by taking the medicine, specific medicine, it can be controlled. Visham vividaihi mantra prayogaihi. A poison, as I told you, generally poison here refers to, in the ancient system of our society, only two types of poisons, either scorpion's poison, Vrichikasya visham va, sarpasya visham va, tatra. Vividaihi mantra prayogai, by use of various incantations, it can be also controlled. Sarvasya shastra vihitam, shastra likitam, shastroktam, aushadam asti. There is medicine prescribed for everything in the science, kintu, but murkhasya aushadam nasti. Very simple, there is no medicine for a fool. Now padartham pashyama, Srinivas. Hutabuk agnihi, jalena salilena, suryatapaha, surya garmaha, divakara garmaha, the heat of the sun. Chatrena atapatrena, samadaha madayuktaha, madajalena yuktaha, madajalena. Now they say an elephant which has got mada, intoxication, that mada oozes from the temple area, from the head, and bees, honeybees get attracted to that, to this elephant. So not all, but that such an elephant is difficult to control. But even that can be controlled by Nishita Ankushena, he said. Nagendraha Gajendraha. Nishitankushena, Tikshna Kushena, Varayitum Shakyaha. To ward off, that is what, prevent, to ward off. Shamayitum Shakyaha, you can say. To put down. Gogardhabau, Rasabhau. Rasabha is Gardhaba. Kharaha, another word is Kharaha. Vrishabha Kharau or Vrishabha Rasabhau. I am reminded of one Subhashita, since we are reading Subhashita only. Did I tell you or did I not tell you? I'll tell you. Man should become popular by whatever means he adopts, by some means or the other. Ghatam bhindyat, patam chindyat. Ghatam bhindyat, one should break a pot in public. Patam chindyat, vastram chindyat, or tear his own clothes in public. In public in bracket. Ghatam bhindyat vidadatu, one should break a pot. Either one should break a pot in public when all people are watching, or not watching in public. When you break, people automatically see you. Patam vastram chindyat, one should tear his clothes in public. Kuryat, one should make rasabha nisvanam. This word rasabha. Here is then a vrishabha rasabha, gardava. Kuryad rasabha nisvanam. So one should bray like a donkey. They say it is bray, B-R-A-Y, if I remember that much English. One should bray like a donkey. Kuryad rasabha nisvanam. Yena kena upayena. Then the sloka says, Yena kena upayena. By somehow or other, by some or other method, upaya, idea, prasiddhaha purusho bhavet. Yena kena upayena prasiddhaha purusho bhavet. By you adopt whatever means, only just wonderful Srinivas. Like Bhartrihari has given here for everything, there is, for this medicine is there, for this medicine is there, but ante gatva murkasya aushadam nasti iti kathayati. In the similar way, this poem Subhashita is suggesting some methods to become popular overnight. If somebody publicly, what do you call is, there is a word like in America, they what is streaking, I think, streaking on the streets, tearing off the clothes. If somebody streaks on the road or breaks something publicly, then immediately all the TV channels will be focusing on him. Some fellow did that, and overnight he becomes popular. What a beautiful idea. Ghatam bindyat, patam chindhyat, kuryat rasabha nisvanam. Sound, shabdam. Rasabhasya nisvanam kuryat. You bray make a sound like a donkey, big. Then by doing that, what are you doing? You are catching the attention of the people. Yena kena upayena. 3 upayas are given here. Yena kena upayena prasiddhaha purusho bhavet. Man should become popular. He should hit the headlines. That is the target here. You want to become popular? Adopt this. I am giving you some clues, says that Subhashitakara. So Rasabha is that. What next? Rasabha is
Yashtaya.
Dandena. Yastya, not Yastaya. Oh, Yastya. That halanta is. Yasti Shabda. Yasti Praharena. Yasti means Dandam. Yastya Yasti Praharena. Dandena nama Yasti Praharena. Bheshaja Sangrahaihi. Oshadhi Prayogaihi. Sevanena. Aushadhi Sevanena. By taking the medicine. Visham Garalam. Vividhaihi Mantra Prayogaihi. Aneka Prakaraihi. Mantanusthanaihi. By various types of incantation, what we say, spells or incantation. Sarvasya, Sakalasya, Aushadam, Shastra Vihitam, Shastra Sammatam, Shastra Katitam, as prescribed in the scriptures. Aushadam. Pratikara is a good, but Pratikara for Telugu people is what is that? Revenge. But it is also a right word. You can say Bheshajam. Aushadam nama Bheshajam. Pratikara also means remedy. Remedy in that sense. But if you want Bheshajam, you can take Aushadam nama Bheshajam, medicine. But pratikara by itself is not medicine, it is remedy. For everything there is a remedy. Asti, vidyate, vartate, kintu, understood, murkhasya, jadasya, jadamatehe, jadamatehe, aushadam, pratikara again is giving the same. Bheshajam, na asti, na vidyate, na vartate, na asti. So very simple. So it only shows to me, my mind, that Bhartrihari was fed up with murkhas around. And that is why he had to pen so many slokas. I am also reminded of Sundara Pandya's one poem which will take up. Time is there, 5 minutes? He says, before that, na tatha bhavati bhayam me, na tatha bhavati. Simple words. Sundara Pandya uses very simple Sanskrit. Na tatha bhavati me, bhavati bhayam me. This is Arya Chandas, what we have studied earlier. Na tatha bhavati bhayam me, vyagram društva, vane pishacham va. Vyagram društva, vane pishacham va. Pishacham va, or then next half, murkham društvabhimukam. Savana division. Murkham društvabhimukam. Yatha društvabhimukam yatha bhayam mam samavishati. Yatha bhayam mam samavishati, mai samavishati iti. So what Sundara Pandya says, he also had similar experience of murkhas. Na tatha bhavati bhayam me. That means I am not so much afraid, as much afraid of seeing that is na tatha bhayam, na tatha bhavati bhayam me. Fear doesn't, I don't get scared as much. Vyagram društva, seeing a tiger in the jungle, or pishacham means a goblin. Seeing a tiger in the jungle or a pishacha somewhere, I am not scared so much as much I am scared seeing a fool face to face. Murkham društva abhimukam yatha bhayam mam samavishati. So he says, I am not as much scared and seeing, as much afraid of seeing a tiger or a goblin in the tiger in the forest or a goblin, as I am on seeing a fool face to face. Murkham društva bhimukam yatha bhayam mam samavishati. When I see the murkha, then fear enters into me. But when I see a tiger, fear doesn't, I am not getting scared, nor a goblin, but seeing a fool I am afraid, he says. Niti Dvishaptika. This is from that 120 poems of Sundara Pandya. They are also good. Sometimes we will be recalling that. So what else? Bhavartha, Srinivas? What else?
Pavakaha Jelena Dharmaha Chatra, sorry,
Dharmaha, not dharma. If the line is broken there, then it becomes dharma. Dharma. Like in Hindi, garmi. जैसे गर्मी बहुत है हिंदी भाषायां ते कथयन्ति न गर्म.
धर्मः क्षेत्रेण मदयुक्तो करी तीक्ष्णांकुशेन
गोरासभौ दंडेन
व्याधिः भेषज चिकित्सया विषं विविध मंत्र प्रयोगैश्च
शाम्यति. Okay. Pavakah, the same thing. Pavakah agnihi jalena shamyati. Fire is put down by water. Gharmaha chatrena. Heat is put down by an umbrella. Madayukto, intoxicated curry elephant. Tikshnankushena, by a very sharp goad. Go rasabhau. The bull and the donkey can also be put down, controlled by danda, stick. Vyadihi, a disease, Beshaji Chikitsaya, by a treatment of taking a medicine, Visham Vividha Mantra Prayogai Hicha Shamyati, and poison of, in bracket we can say a scorpion or a snake, Vrichikasya Visham Va, Sarpasya Visham Va, Vividha Mantra Prayogai Hicha Shamyati, it is put down. Tam Shastra Vetam Asti Eva, Asti Eva, Asti Eva. In this manner, there is in the world medicine, remedy for everything according to the science. So, but in the world of the fools, there is no remedy found. So, there is no remedy found as such for the fools. That is what he says. I have not checked the English. Maybe good. Can we go? Nidarshanam? Little. Over. Okay, we'll stop here. Shivam Bhoya.